All right, guys, a little change to the closet. If we do a drawer stack right here, little tight space in front of the drawer stack to the cabinets across the way. So from the front of that cabinet to the cabinets across, we've got 30 inches. So if we take this cabinet, open up the drawers, so with the drawers open to the cabinet behind you, 14.5 inches. And I made this cabinet a couple inches deeper. It's 18 deep versus these are 16. So if it's 18 deep, the drawers, okay guys, here's our modified closet. I know we were talking about putting some drawers here. We can still do that. But if we put the drawers here, or maybe two of them, just to make sure we've got enough space when we open the drawers. Okay guys, here's our modified closet cabinet. So if we put some drawer stacks here or here, just want to make sure you are aware space-wise when those drawers are open. So the drawer boxes are 15 inches deep. So on the inside of the drawer box, you have 14 inches. They're pretty wide. The cabinet's 30 3/4. So maybe 29 inches on the inside. But when that drawer is open, standing in front of it, from the front to here is 16 7/8. A little tight, but still fit. And then if we put another one or a drawer stack here, you're 16.5. That's what those would look like, open. And then for in the corner here, whoops, just to fit, just for some shelving, instead of having this empty triangular corner that you could never use, just to put a shelf there. Let me know what you think though. If you want both drawer stacks or just one. All right, thanks.